Dear students, class FYBSc for paper first, zoology paper first. In continuation with binary fission, that is asexual mode of reproduction in paramecium, we proceed towards the sexual mode of reproduction in paramecium known to be conjugation. Now conjugation, definition of conjugation. It is the most common sexual mode of reproduction, involves the temporary union of two paramecia from their ventral surfaces, and a protoplasmic bridge develops at the ventral surfaces of two paramecia of the same species. In this process, exchange of nuclear material takes place. Now here we observe factors and conditions for conjugation. Conjugation takes place after about 300 sexual generations of binary fission, or may alternate with binary fission at long intervals. Now due to change in physiological conditions of paramecium, paramecia becomes smaller in size, weaker due to many more binary fissions. Then conjugation occurs to avoid the death of paramecia. Now conjugation occurs under starvation period, under unfavorable conditions, when there is lack of temperature conditions, lack of food material. So in paramecium chordatum, it starts in the late night or in the early morning. Now further situations, conjugations are comparatively smaller in size. These conjugants are 120 micron long compared to normal paramecia. According to T.H. Sonneborn in 1937, paramecium does not conjugate with the paramecium of other species. Now remember this. He discovered that each species has a number of varieties. That varieties are known to be syngenes. Syngenes, S-Y-N-G-E-N-S. And each variety has two mating types. These mating types are also known as strains of paramecia, which are morphologically similar but physiologically dissimilar. Now, paramecium chordatum has at least 16 varieties, and each variety having two mating types. So there develops one variety is with two mating types. So at least 32 mating types are possible in paramecium chordatum. Conjugation occurs in between two different mating types of the same variety. Suppose first variety consists of mating type first and second variety third and fourth. So paramecia from first mating type unite with third or fourth or fifth or sixth likewise. Now observe this process of conjugation. The process of conjugation in paramecium may be slightly vary from species to species. Now the scientists Harting and Maupas in 1889 first reported the process of conjugation in Pauria in paramecium. Here the process of conjugation in paramecium chordatum described in detail. Now the first stage in this process of conjugation is mating of two different paramecia two paramecia of same species but different mating types. So they are attached on their ventral surfaces at the level of gullet region, and a protoplasmic bridge develops in between them. Now the conjugating member or two paramecia are known to be conjugant, and their formation of their pairing, the macronucleus of each conjugant begins to disintegrate because it is vegetative nucleus. It simply breaks up, or metabolic nucleus. It simply breaks up into smaller fragments which are hydrolyzed by the enzymes and absorbed in the endoplasm or cytoplasm. Now the micronucleus, it is the micronucleus. It is the sexual nucleus and take part in actual process of conjugation and divides mitotically two times. Now one division from them is division, and the chromosome number becomes half. Now in each conjugant, 4 daughter micronuclei are formed. Out of 4 micronuclei, 3 micronuclei degenerate and disappear. So in both paramecia, these 4 nuclei are formed. From these 4 nuclei, 3 disappear and 1 remain in both paramecia. Now first nucleus is smaller and other nucleus is larger. So the smaller nucleus is known as male pronuclei or migratory micronuclei, and the larger is known as the stationary nuclei, or it is also known as the female pronuclei. Now observe here in this figure, 2 paramecia unite together. In second figure, macronucleus starts degeneration and each micronucleus tried for dividation. So here observe in second number figure, at least 8 micronuclei are formed, 4 in one paramecia, other 4 in second paramecia. In third figure we observe micronuclei divide again, 3 from them disappear and 1 remain. From that 4 micronuclei in each conjugate he disappears. Now in further division, remaining nucleus, single micronucleus divides unequally. So unequal division states that one nucleus formed is meganucleus and one nucleus formed is micronucleus. Here in sixth figure we observe that micronucleus is migratory and meganucleus is stationary. So smaller pronuclei means smaller micronuclei from one paramecia undergo transformation via protoplasmic bridge and meet with the meganucleus of other paramecia. So in this way, in seventh figure, the union of these nuclei takes place, means pronuclei takes place and zygote nucleus is formed. At this stage, we observe figure number 8 that the paramecia with this zygote nucleus separates, and their separating paramecia are known to be X conjugate, and prior to X conjugate further divisions takes place, means zygote nucleus divides 3 times to form 8 nuclei. Now observe in figure number 12, 8 nuclei are formed. From that 8 nuclei, 4 becomes macro. From this 4 macronuclei, 3 disappear and 1 remains. So 1 remaining micronucleus along with animal body divides by binary fission and 2 paramecia thus develop. So each developed paramecia possesses micronucleus divides 2 times, means each dividing paramecia possesses at least 3 nuclei, 2 larger and 1 smaller, and further division starts and each paramecium, each X conjugate gives 4 paramecia at the end of sexual reproduction. Now observe these things in sentences. The nucleus undergoes successive mitotic divisions and forms 8 nuclei. Out of 8 nuclei, 4 enlarges and becomes macronuclei. 4 becomes micro. Out of 4 micronucleus, 3 disintegrate and disappear completely, and 1 remains. Now 1 remaining nucleus divides again and it forms 2 micronuclei, and simultaneously X conjugate divides by binary fission. Now at this step we observe that the formed X conjugate divides by binary fission so as to produce the macronucleus, 2 macronucleus and 1 micronucleus in each X conjugate. So the daughter paramecia of X conjugate by binary fission it divides, and in the body of X conjugate 1 meganucleus and 1 micronucleus remains, and this process takes about 96 hours for completion, and it is known to be sexual reproduction. Now this process having certain significance, means It has been observed that paramecia reproduces by various sexual methods, means the conjugation, amphimixis, autogamy. When the individuals are unable to reproduce by binary fission due to loss of their vigor, the reproduction undergo sexual reproduction, means conjugation. Here, second significance is rejuvenation of species takes place, means old age paramecia loses its vitality because of many sexual reproduction it passes. Now conjugation does not occur for long period, so the paramecia stop multiplying and becomes unhealthy and finally die. So as to avoid this dying clone on earth, the conjugation process is start, and it is known as the rejuvenation of species. Nuclear reorganization takes place in sexual reproduction because in this process the readjustment of nucleus takes place prior to cytoplasmic content. The material of meganucleus is also newly formed due to vitality and energy of daughter paramecia. Now, fourth significance is hereditary variation. It is important significance of conjugation, in which production of new characters takes place like binary fission. So the conjugation, in conjugation we observe that there is temporary union where exchange of nuclear material is possible. So within zygote nucleus the characters are embedded, and genetic combinations by hybridization technique takes place, and this obtained, it is visible in newly formed progeny. Now here some exercise is there. Pellicular membrane means what, Tica means what, Lorica means what, shell or test observed in protozoa, pseudopodia, that is locomotory organ, plasmotomy, syngamy process, 5 kingdom classification, etc. Second exercise is essay on general organization of protista, essay on origin of eukaryotic cells, the class Opalinata, Speleophora, Sarcodina, Dinophyta, Eudinophyta, then external features of paramecium, binary fission, conjugation, short notes on the same, conjugation, binary fission, cell structure, feeding mechanism, etc. etc. So thank you very much for attending this lecture. I'm giving you the questionnaire via the Google form, and we solve the questionnaire for 1 mark. That is MCQ questionnaire, multiple choice questionnaire. We have to attempt the selected objective and fill in that sentence. At least for exam is for 20 marks. It via Google form or Google Meet, etc. Best luck for your study at home via this College Bridge. Content, e-content, etc. is according to our college authority that we have to encourage the students for e-learning, and because of this situation, tried for attending these online lectures. Minimum students must for each and every lecture to understand all the concepts, because there is, for you people, there is choice based credit system, CBCS system, and you have to earn the maximum credits at FY level also. Thank you once again.